Hi everyone, it's Rhonda. I just got back from the most amazing estate sale. This woman had so much craft stuff. She had 2 rooms completely full of everything imaginable, from paint to stamps to machines to punches to tools to just everything. All of it was 30% off. I'm going to try and go back today, but I don't know if I'm going to make it. They have 75% off today, and there's no way. If 100,000 people went in there, I don't think they would all buy all the stuff this woman had. I mean, I should have taken a video of it because I've never seen anything like it, and I have a lot of craft stuff. But this was just out there. But anyway, let me get started. These are the first things that I bought were the Nouveau drops. Now, I've never bought these. I've heard such good things about them. I've never, ever bought them. I got these for $1 each, plus the 30% off. So, what did I get? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 17 of them. So, $1 a piece, not too shabby. The next thing I found a lot more punches, but this punch was $4, but I really wanted it. So, I went ahead and grabbed that one. All the other punches they had, if they were big punches, they were $6. If they were double punches, like the Martha Stewart in the box still, they were $12 plus the 30% off. And then the smaller ones were $3. These were all $1. This is a wonderful birch tree Tim Holtz. So excited about that. Like it's thin, so it's great. Then there was this one, which is little foxes. And I believe, yes, there is a fox stamp set that goes with it. These were $1 each. Fantastic. Then there were these. This one is like kind of winter leaves with little berries on it. This one's another winter scene from Crafter's Companion. And then this one is just the little trees. They also had some Sizzix ones. Again, these were $1. These were $2, but there's 2 parts to them, and I don't know where the other piece to this one is. I'm hoping it's in here somewhere in my stuff, but I have not seen it. But it's a 2-piece as well, and it's a stamp and it's an emboss. And the same with this one. It's a stamp and then an embossing folder, which really cool. So I got those 2. And then I got this one with the Christmas trees on it. Very pretty. The next embossing folders are Anna Griffin embossing folders. Let me move this out of the way. And they were $1 each as well. And I got all of them that she had. Or at least all that I could find. I thought they were too pretty. And then they have the, I guess that's like for a border. I'm not really sure. I'm going to have to look that up and see. It's called Briar Rose, is that one. This one, Woven Diamonds, very pretty. This one, guessing that's going to be some kind of holly wreath. This one, garland stripes. Interesting one. This one didn't have the gold skinny thing on it, but very cool one. Nor did this one. This one has 3 different ones on it, so that'd make for an interesting card. Same as this one. Another one with the 3 on it. This one's more Christmassy. This one's going to be poinsettia blooms. Oh, this one has deer on it. I didn't even really look at these. I just grabbed them all because people were grabbing stuff like crazy. Joyful reindeer. This one is going to be something flake. Nordy flake. I don't know. It's cute though. Then there's this one. Another Christmassy one with harlequin bells. And the last one of these is also Christmas, called Sleigh Bells. Gorgeous. So that's all of those. Then I found this. I've been wanting this tab punch, but I just refused to pay 12 bucks for it. So I got this one for $3. So I figured that was a pretty good deal. And it just makes the tabs on the top of your folders if you want them. I thought that was really cute. Then there was this. And when I looked at it, I was like, oh, it's the old original Alice stuff. And can she open it with one hand? Not really. And it just has different cards. Sorry about that glare. Different cards, and they're so cute. They're cut out little cards. I got those for $2. I thought that was well worth that. And this is, here it shows you kind of on the back a little bit more of all the ones, all things Alice. So grab that. Then there were 2 bags of these wonderful die cuts for Christmas. And I mean, it's just full of die cuts. $2. Just the thought of cutting all these out and fussy cutting them kind of gives me anxiety. So I know some people love to do that. I'd rather have a machine do it for me. I'm lazy like that. The next thing were stamps. And she had containers of stamps. She had pizza boxes that had stamps in them. She had 2 gigantic, and I'm talking like you could put like comforter size, you know, if you folded a comforter up as a king size comforter, as small as you could get it, and then you probably could put 4 or 5 in one of these boxes. And there were 2 of them in the middle of the room, just full of stamps. And goodness, there's no way you could go through them all. There really isn't. One of them came off of this, but it's just glued on. But I thought it was cool with the clocks on it. So I grabbed that one. This one was kind of interesting with just different little designs on it. Let's see if we can get that to focus. There we go. And it was originally $9. Like these were $1. So this stamp was $2. And then the big stamps were $2. The little ones were $1. So she considered these to be little, which was nice. So there's a tree one. This one's just a banner. A little hummingbird. This one says magic. I liked that one for Christmas and just for fun. She also had a huge box full of Disney, just Disney stamps. But these were in the big box I found. But the huge box of Disney stamps, she wanted 120 bucks for them. Plus the 30% off. And I was just like, that seems kind of high. This is just a texture stamp, which I liked that because I do like to do textury things. Here's a little fox. And then this is just another little texture of some material. Here's another one of the little Mickey ones I found. I thought this one was cool. This one is obviously someone has made it, but it's pretty cool. Department of Antiques. I like that. Catalog number. And, ooh, I don't know what that one says. I think it's somebody's name. I don't really know what that one says, but kind of cool. Then there was another one of these that are cool clock workings. I really like that for the steampunk stuff. Really cool. And some of these stamps, like this one, this stamp's never been used. If it has, it's been used one time. But I thought it was really cool. I like that with the hand on it. Grabbed this one. Oh, here's another little Mickey ears. And then here's another one with a hand in an envelope. I like these square ones too, because you can get a lot on them. And I guess I could show you through that upside down there. Just butterflies. She had some that were rollers, but they wanted $12 each for the roller ones. And they were big rollers. And I was like, I don't know if I'll ever use that, but they were pretty cool. I liked that for the post stuff. And then this one's just another background. Here's a pretty Christmas saying. May your Christmas be warm with love, blessed with joy, and bright with promise. Love that. Then this little one here. There's no place like home. Dorothy, please. Here's another cool clock one. Again, I mean, I really don't think these have been used. She had too many. I don't know how she could have possibly used all of them. This is just a little stamp. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's like this one. And then here's another one with some butterflies on it. Little 4 one. And the last stamp is this one. And it's like this. That's why I got it. I thought it was cool. Not real sure what these are. Just designs. Put in the corners or whatever. She also had tons and tons and tons of dies. And it was getting hot. And I couldn't look anymore. Honestly. I don't use dies as much as I used to because I have my Cricut machine. But I couldn't pass up the Disney ones. Had to get those. And of course with beautiful Belle here. This is not Disney. This is just a border of some sort. And then this one is just all different kinds of banners. I'm not sure. I think that goes to something else. And I just didn't see it. So kind of got that one without really paying attention. Now I'm going to walk over here to where all the stamps are. I mean punches are. I've got it. They gave me this box here, but she had Martha Stewart like crazy, and I have a lot of Martha Stewart, but I just grabbed the ones that I did not have. I got the scroll heart one. I got this one, which is the crochet loop, which I loved. Still new in the box, so you know she never used these. This one's the winter snow, the double one. So this one was 12. I got this one. Don't know what some of these are called. They're not in the box, so you don't know. This one, I've never seen this one before. I thought that one was pretty cool. Wintry scene. There's another one with some little doily looking to it. This one's pretty with a little heart. Another one with some snowflakes. This one I thought was cool, a button. And this one looks kind of like little daisies maybe. This one, I like that one. Let's make a pretty edge. I think this is just a Disney one. It is, a little Disney. And then this last one, I've never seen this one before. Looked on eBay. This thing sells for 50 bucks on eBay all day long. So I was like, even if I don't like it, I'll sell it for 50 bucks. But anyway, that is my major haul from the biggest craft estate sale I have ever gone to in my life. It was amazing. All of this stuff here. And these Anna Griffin folders were great. So anyway, I just wanted to pop on here and show everyone. If you're watching still, thank you so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.